Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is HRM533 and today our group will present one of the topic from HRM533. We call Introduction to Human Resource Management or HRM. So our group choose topic named Job Analysis and Job Design. So in this video, our group will present more detail about how job analysis and job design will positively affect the performance for the organization or the company's performance. Okay, so before we jump to the main topic for today, so firstly we need to know what is job design and what is job analysis. Okay, so firstly, job analysis is the process of acquiring and evaluating information regarding the content and human needs of tasks as well as the setting in which they are performed. Is actually referred to as job analysis. This method is used to determine job placement. The decision making in this area is shared between units and human resource under NU values. The organizational leadership of the unit will set the specific internal approval procedures. The grouping of jobs within a work family is defined by job analysis. It enables units to discover job progression routes for workers who want to develop their careers and earn more money. So in job analysis, there is two things or two aspects that we need to know, which first is job description and second is job specification. So job description is the statement of the task, duties and responsibilities of the job. Meanwhile, job specification is the statement that shows the specific knowledge, skills and abilities of the person who is going to do the job. Okay, so next I will explain about job design. So what is actually job design? It's actually the division of work duties allocated to a person in an organization that outlines what the worker does, how they do it and why they do it. Job design that is effective adds to the attainment of company goals, employee motivation and satisfaction. The job characteristic model or JCM is one of the most well-known method to job design. The job characteristic model takes into account 5 key characteristics, which is skill variation, task identity, task relevant, autonomy, and also feedback. In job design also, organization must use 3 ways to boost the motivating potential of each work, which is job rotation, job expansion, and job enrichment. Each of these provide managers with alternative for properly designing projects. Employee employment will need to be created with a fluid composition and boundaries that may alter in size and shape quickly as internal work requirements arise and reform.
Avoid overlapping the tasks. How to avoid overlapping the tasks? Firstly, overlapping tasks and responsibility can be avoided by manager through providing a clear analysis to the employees. This is because lack of job analysis can cause employees to emphasize the wrong aspect of their job. Next, a written job analysis should not only include the tasks or duties the employee should perform, but also employee should sort out the level of importance of each duty or task. Employee training. Job analysis can be used to decide what type of training and supplies an employee needs. This way, employer doesn't have to wait until an employee is in their position for months before discovering what their company lack in terms of resources that are necessary for employees to perform the duties. To satisfy every employee, this statement can be referred to as the ergonomic approach. Ergonomic is studying and designing easy-to-use equipment for the employees. To increase productivity, company can provide ergonomic chairs that are well designed to support the human body. Ergonomic chair is well designed because it includes consideration like comfort, support, and health. Thus, employee will be more satisfied and happier to perform their task.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Siti Aisha binti Azman and I am going to explain 3 more advantages of job analysis and 1 advantage of job design. 3 advantages of job analysis are: it can help in establishing effective hiring practices, creating right job-employee fit, and it can also be used as guidance in performance evaluation and appraisal process. So the first one from me is job analysis helps in establishing effective hiring practices. Who is to be filled, where and when, who to target and how for a specific job opening. Job analysis process gives answers to all these questions and helps managers in creating, establishing and maintaining effective hiring practices. Second, it helps in creating right job employee fit. This is one of the most crucial management activities. Filling the right person in a right job vacancy is a test of skills, understanding and competency of HR managers. Job analysis helps them understand what type of employee will be suitable to deliver a specific job successfully. The third one, which is the last one for job analysis, it is used as guidance in performance evaluation and appraisal process. Job analysis can also assist managers in evaluating and collecting data about employee performance by comparing the standard or desired output with the delivered or actual results. The procedure can assist the management in determining who to promote and when to do so. It also assists managers in understanding employees' knowledge, talents, abilities, so that the correct individual may be fit and suitable for a specific position in order to get the best output. Last but not least is job design. It is a crucial role in making a better organizational performance, as it can enhance the company performance, because a well-designed job can help in increasing the quality of management. Job design can be divided into 2 categories, which are job empowerment and job enrichment. Giving employees the ability to make decisions and more influence over how they accomplish their responsibilities is referred to as job empowerment. It motivates employees to take on greater responsibility and boost their productivity. Meanwhile, job organization is adding depth to current activities in order to make them more compelling. This phase contributes to increase the scope of variation while also adding value to occupations. Furthermore, job design might help in increasing employee satisfaction. This is represented by the ergonomic method. Ergonomic design is equipment that is simple to utilize for personnel. To boost the company's productivity, they can supply ergonomic chairs that are well and carefully created to support the human body, including comfort, support, and health. As a result, employees will be more satisfied and joyful to accomplish their duties, as well as physically healthy.
The first advantage would be in career path planning and employee counseling. Many companies have not taken up career planning for their employees. Employee counseling is done to prevent the employee from leaving the company. Employees are informed about the limitations of jobs in terms of development and are guided to take required steps for their future development. Job analysis provides such information regarding the areas in which a person requires modification for better career options. The second advantage of job analysis and design is it helps improve employee motivation. Job design makes the work more interesting and challenging, which motivates the employees for a higher level of performance. The challenging and interesting job provides better pay for the employees, which inspires them for better job performance. Along with motivation, job design also brings high degree of commitment in them towards organizational objectives. This helps to increase organizational productivity and employee satisfaction at work. As a continued effect from the second advantage earlier, the next advantage will be an increase in productivity. The job design specifies the contents and working procedures of how the task is performed. This leads to a positive change in job performance and job analysis, as a result of which, the organizational productivity will be enhanced through efficient work performance.